you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, some meat again. So a lot of you ask how do you make the steak. This time we're doing onglet steak. It's beef, it's very easy and super tasty. It's quite common but improperly butchered. You cannot find in supermarket. I show you, we need just the onglet. Onglet is part close to the liver. Is someone called diaphragm, someone called skirt, but his onglet is like that. Easy, we're gonna use some just salt, pepper, butter. I use some garlic and fresh thyme just to give some flavor. It is super quickly. The gas is already on and now I show you one. Well, this is 50-50. Someone cook just like that, in this side like that. Ask your butcher to leave like that if you like that, or like in my case I like butterfly. If you like butterfly, if you can do like I show you. If not, ask your butcher. Just put your hand and cut carefully watch your finger, you know, you do like this, easy. You butterfly like that, you see. For the cooking time, this is up to you. I like quite medium. I'm gonna leave very hot pan around 3.5 minutes per side. If you like even 4, not more than that, okay? We leave to rest couple minutes and it's ready to eat, okay? First step, a little touch of olive oil and we put on and we cook around, I'm gonna cook this around 4 minutes per side, okay? When it's in, put some salt, we start giving some flavor, some pepper. At the moment we put just salt and pepper. The next gonna be some butter. But when I'm gonna add the other ingredients, I'm gonna show you. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check our website Cooking with an Italian. We have a lot of good stuff to eat in the family. We are not master chef, but we cook very well. See you soon. Okay guys, 3.5 minutes. I turn it. Oh, look at that. Now I add garlic, rosemary, some butter, again salt and pepper. And now guys, we leave another 3.5 or 4 minutes, okay? This butter gonna give a lot flavor, okay? Oh yeah, fantastic. I wanna add this one as well. Okay, see you in another 3-4 minutes. I won't just spend one word about this. This onglet, I told you it's not quite common, but it's very tasty and good. I recommend you really to ask your butcher and find it, okay? See you soon. Guys, I want to show you. It's another couple of minutes left, but this butter, okay, I put on the top, okay? Do like that because it's very good. Always do this with all this flavor and take this, just brush it. If this time the smell is absolutely, we have just a steak in the pan, okay? See you in 1 minute, it's done, okay? Okay guys, 8 minutes, for me is ready. Gas off, and this is up to you. And guys, leave to rest there. Leave 5-6 minutes in the pot is off and to rest a little bit. In the pot it is still warm in 5-6 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna show you later when we cut and we try. Okay, gonna be al bacio. Okay guys, the onglet is ready, still warm like I take just now out from the pan. And now guys, we try it. I will cut like this. There. Oh, there. Oh, even is a little bit, because my partner, she don't like very red, okay? Now, some salt again. Look at that, some pepper. Guys, I will try it. Oh. Super taste. Oh wow, it's absolutely, for me it's a little bit overcooked, but it's absolutely delicious. Amazing. Guys, what do I want to say? The onglet steak is this. Nice. If you like, guys, always finger up and follow us. Ciao.